What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connection issue on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel and from here tap on Wi-Fi. Now here you will see a on off button, so turn on and off Wi-Fi 2 to 3 times. And after that tap on done and then your Wi-Fi will start working properly. But if this solution doesn't work, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel again, and now click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting, your Wi-Fi will start working properly. But if you are still facing the Wi-Fi issue, then the next solution is update your mobile software. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on software update. Now click on download and install, and then update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, the Wi-Fi will start working properly. But after that, if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is reset the network settings. So for that, open the settings app again. Now scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings. Now again click on reset settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now here again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So tap on reset and after that reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and after reconnecting your Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi will start working properly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is factory reset your phone. So for factory data reset, tap on settings again, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now scroll down and click on factory data reset and then scroll down to the end and tap on this reset option. So when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset your mobile back to factory default and it will delete everything from your mobile. Now tap on reset and after that your mobile will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi connection issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.